Alaikum. Do you want to learn how to delete Instagram account? Then let's watch out this tutorial. Open your Instagram. You can see this is my Instagram account. If you want to delete your Instagram, then click on this button. After this, click on three dots, then go to account center. After account center, you have to click on personal details, go to accounts ownership, then click on deactivation or deletion, then choose your profile. After this, you have to click on this button, delete account permanently, and press continue. Then select your reason and again press continue. Now enter your password and click continue. After this, you have to click on delete account. Now your account is deleted permanently.